New Hampshire is our next state. Again, this is the Floral States of America Cotton Cuts monthly sewing along, I guess you could say. We are doing New Hampshire, which is the granite state. And New Hampshire, the capital is Concord. Statehood is June 21st, 1788. The state bird is the purple finch. The state flower is the purple lilac. They have production of milk and dairy products, and their area is 9,349 square miles. Their famous person is Alan Shepard, and an interesting fact is forest covers more than 80% of the state's landscape. The quilt shop to visit is Night Owl Quilting Studio in Galveston, New Hampshire. All right. So, oh, that's cool. I haven't made one of these. A basket block. I really haven't made a basket block. Maybe once before, but a very long time ago. So we are going to tape that basket block. Look at the beautiful floral. And here we go. Put all my pieces in a pile. And let's get to it. So we are doing half square triangles using these, and we need to make 6 of them, 6 sets of these. So let's run through 6 sets. Okay. Now the one thing that I have, and I know I could use a leader and an ender, is that, and maybe that's what I will have to do, is that these pieces sometimes get caught up in my machine. I don't normally use pieces like this. I will though, because I have an AccuQuilt now and I will be using it. So I will be getting pieces like this in the future. I've got it for my, well, I didn't get it. It was gifted to me for me to use with my scraps. And I am very grateful to get that. How many did I do? I did 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6. It's these little half square triangles that my machine doesn't like. Next thing that we're going to do is the large half square triangle. So let's get that going. And then we can press. We're going to press. Here we go. And how are we going to press this? We are going to take the blue and go out. And the big one, we are going to take the floral one and press towards the floral. There we go. So we have our half square triangles. Now the next step it has us do is that we are taking these like that, and we're just making one. So let me take this piece And then we are doing that once. Then I need a blue and a blue, 2 blues. And I need a half square triangle and a blue. Put that through. And then we're going to take all that and we are going to press. And so I have, this one gets pressed this way. And this one here gets pressed to the blue that way. And this one here see, that is going in. All right, so we have those pieces. What we're going to do with this piece is add a blue. And these 2 pieces go together. And we add a blue to this end here. Sometimes my fingers feel clunky with these smaller blocks. So now we have that. And these get pressed out. And this one here gets pressed in. So now I have this set here and this set here. Whoops, and I'm going to, I guess, put those aside here. And then we are going to do a set of half square triangles like this. Square triangle set like that. Now I have all my pieces sewn in some way. I'm going to cut that, and then we are going to, wow, it's not really telling me which way to press this. So I guess I could press it in any which way I want. There actually is no pressing instructions. I hope that does not mess me up. Right? I don't see any. So we are going to take our large one. We are going to take this right here, and we are going to take this right here. So let's start sewing our basket. And this goes on the bottom. now this is saying that these are all going in. So I'm gonna press that. Press that. So we have this part of the basket done. Now what I need to do is put this over here and this over here. Look at how fast that basket went by, super fast actually. So, so this, I must have pressed wrong. That's weird. It's fine. I caught it. So this comes here, and we gonna stick a pin, pop a pin in. And I'm gonna go to the other side as well. Let's pop a pin in. And we are going to have our basket block. And I'm going to come over here. And here it comes. So now we are going to press both of these sides open and out. Not open, well, you can, but out. Wow, this would be cute to make a lot of these. Look at how cute. That's adorable. All right, so we have New Hampshire done. It's been about 13 minutes that this is running. The Granite State is done. Hope everyone has a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Pass it forward, and if you like what you see, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. Like, comment, share. Let other people know I'm out there, and have a wonderful day. Let me know. Have you done a basket quilt block? I'd love to know. Take care. Bye.